G'day guys, in today's video I'm having a look at the AeroCool Quantum Mesh. As you can see, we have mesh up the front here, and what I want to talk about is there's two little things that was a bit weird with this particular build. So we've got a Ryzen 5 3600, 16 gig of RAM, 2060, and the drama that's been going on is getting the addressable or the non-addressable RGB lights going. As you can see, we're going here. So this was dropped in by a customer that was having issues, and I figured out the solution. He put it all together, wasn't starting. That was another different issue. Headers or jumpers down here weren't connected properly. But right now, I've got the RGB lights hooked up, and we can cycle using the reset button. And when I was connecting these up, he mentioned he had drummers connecting them up, and I can't say I've dealt too much with these style, but we've got the back fan here connected here, another fan connected here, and another one somewhere in the daisy chain. But anyway, there's three of them connected, and it's going down to this Molex here to power all three fans. And I couldn't figure out where the hell the RGB was until I looked at this little one. So if I peel the front off, let's put you guys down for a sec. If I peel the front off, we'll see we have this one cable here. It's not up here, it's not on the back one. This cable here runs along, and right now I've got the reset button wired into here. And that switches between the various presets of RGB that it has. So if I cycle through it, I can get through all the different colors. So if you're having dramas with it, that may be very well what you're going to have to do. So these are all three fans that are daisy chained together. I say three, but I'm only finding, where's my third? One, two, there we are. It's going from Molex to joiner up to the fan. But if you're trying to get the RGB, daisy chain all three fans together, hook up your reset switch to one of the fans, and then bam, you should have some RGB. That will do for now, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.